Hey there, it's Jonathan Pollard from Style Factory here, your go-to resource for e-commerce tips and reviews. In this Big Cartel versus Shopify comparison, I'm going to pit a low-cost e-commerce platform, Big Cartel, against an industry giant, Shopify. Can David beat Goliath? Stay tuned as I highlight 12 key areas you need to focus on when choosing between these two platforms and discuss which solution comes out on top in each one. I'll also share some links to some special extended free trials and plans for Big Cartel and Shopify. Let's dive in. 1. Pricing. Big Cartel is one of the most competitively priced e-commerce platforms available. Its most expensive plan costs just $30 per month, while still giving you a lot of e-commerce bang for your buck. And significantly, Big Cartel actually offers an entirely free plan. While this is limited in its functionality and doesn't let you make use of your own custom domain, it still lets you sell up to 5 products and gives you an easy, cost-free way to get going with e-commerce. By contrast, all the Shopify plans involve a monthly fee, and depending on the plan involved, this can be quite substantial. That said, you can use Shopify virtually for no cost initially. If you check the video description, you'll find a link to a special trial that gives you full access to the platform for 3 months at just $1 per month. 2. Ease of use. Big Cartel is a no-frills e-commerce solution. While this may limit your horizons a bit, it also gives you a really gentle learning curve. You won't have much difficulty getting a store up and running with Big Cartel. Although the learning curve with Shopify is not terribly steep either, the fact that it is a more fully featured e-commerce platform means that it can take a bit more time to get used to. So if ease of use is important to you and you can live without more advanced e-commerce functionality, Big Cartel takes the win. 3. Templates. Both Big Cartel and Shopify offer a similar number of free themes. These are all attractive, responsive templates that look good on any device. However, what you need to remember about Big Cartel's offering is that its templates are geared towards creative merchants, artists, musicians, photographers, and so on. The platform was originally created to serve more artistic sellers. That's where the art in Big Cartel comes from. So although you can use Big Cartel templates for more general e-commerce purposes, you'll usually find that Shopify's templates are geared towards a wider range of business applications. And thanks to its large range of paid-for themes, there are ultimately many more templates on offer from Shopify than from Big Cartel. Check out the video description for links to Big Cartel and Shopify's template libraries. 4. Products. When it comes to inventory size, Shopify lets you sell an unlimited number of products. However, the most you can sell with Big Cartel is 500. As for the types of products you can sell, both platforms let you sell physical products out of the box. However, to sell digital products with Big Cartel, you need to pay for a third-party app, Pollard. And depending on your requirements, the costs for this can be quite high, as much as $299 per month. 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a way to sell products online without buying or delivering any stock. You take an order, your store passes it to a supplier, and they deliver it to your customer. While Big Cartel works with a few dropshipping and print-on-demand services, including Deezers, Printful, and Art of Wear, it simply can't compete with a huge number of dropshipping services that work with Shopify. You can access some free dropshipping resources for Shopify using the link in the video description. 6. Point of sale. Point of sale technology lets merchants make sales in person at events, festivals, markets, and brick-and-mortar retail outlets. Both Big Cartel and Shopify facilitate this. Big Cartel's offering on this front isn't great, however. You're basically restricted to selling using a Stripe card reader. By contrast, Shopify gives you access to an extensive range of POS hardware and advanced features that let you sell in multiple locations using multiple team members. 7. Apps and integrations. Shopify is a hands-down winner here. Its App Store contains over 16,000 apps and integrations that let you extend Shopify's functionality considerably or hook it up to lots of other online services. Big Cartel does provide some integrations too, but the range is very limited by comparison to Shopify's offering. 8. Email marketing features. With Shopify, you get access to a powerful email marketing app, Shopify Email, that works seamlessly with the e-commerce features of the platform. And you can use it to send up to 10,000 emails per month for free too. With Big Cartel, you have to make use of third-party email marketing tools to send newsletters. You can't integrate them as tightly into the selling process, and using them means additional costs too. 9. Teamwork and multi-user access. A key difference between Shopify and Big Cartel involves teamwork. While Shopify facilitates multi-user access on its Grow plan or higher, Big Cartel can only be accessed by one person at a time, the store owner. This makes Big Cartel unsuitable for businesses that need multiple staff members to have access to your online store's dashboard. 10. Tax calculation. Both Big Cartel and Shopify provide tools for calculating tax automatically and adding the correct amount of tax to product prices at checkout. However, while Shopify's automatic tax calculation tool works in a wide range of countries and with a wide range of tax systems, Big Cartel's is quite basic and only works in the US. 11. International selling. You tend to get more sales if you sell in your store visitor's local currency. While Shopify gives you a sophisticated multi-currency selling tool to do this, Big Cartel only lets you sell in one currency at a time. Third-party solutions are available that let you display prices in different currencies on a Big Cartel store, but they don't facilitate full checkout in them. It's a similar situation with presenting your store in multiple languages. While Shopify comes with built-in multilingual features, Big Cartel doesn't. You can use the third-party Weglot app to create different language versions of a Big Cartel store, but this will involve configuration time and additional costs. 12. Payment processing. Shopify works with over 300 payment gateways, which means that you can choose the payment solution that works best for you and accept a huge range of payment methods. By contrast, Big Cartel only works with PayPal and Stripe. Okay, so that's our run through of the key things you should consider when comparing Big Cartel against Shopify. In just a moment, I'm going to wrap things up with my verdict on the two platforms. But before I do, a quick reminder that if you're interested in using either platform to build your online store, do check out the video description for links to a special extended version of the Shopify trial and the entirely free version of Big Cartel. You might also like to check the Style Factory Store Builder tool. This asks you a few questions about the store you're trying to build, and based on your answers, will give you a personalized recommendation that meets your e-commerce requirements. I've put a link to this in the video description. The verdict. So, which is better for e-commerce? Big Cartel or Shopify? Well, if you are on a really low budget or have very simple selling needs, there is a case to be made for Big Cartel. Its free plan is actually pretty usable. Its premium plans are very competitively priced, and the platform itself is very easy to use. But in terms of features, there's no contest. Shopify is by far the better spec'd platform, giving you a wide range of tools that you simply won't find in Big Cartel. Important features like multi-currency selling, multi-user access, built-in email marketing tools, and much, much more. So if you want to build a truly professional, scalable store, Shopify wins. If you'd like to learn more about Big Cartel and Shopify, do make sure you read our full blog post comparing both. I've put a link to this in the video description, or just Google Style Factory Big Cartel versus Shopify. Before you go, we'd love you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell. This will give you easy access to all our e-commerce resources going forward. And finally, if you have questions about Big Cartel or Shopify, do leave a comment. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.